Alright, and the final step inside this process is to actually install the cabinet. And as you guys can see, underneath the bed there isn't anything here, so there's definitely a lack of utilization of this space. She currently puts her suitcases down here, and that's pretty much the only thing she can put down here. But with our cabinet installed, it gives her several storage options. She has a large open middle section that she can put things in. The space from the cabinet down to underneath the bed, they left enough room for her suitcases that if she opens them up, they still can slide underneath of there. We didn't put a center divider in case she ever wants to throw a longer, item underneath the bed, so it can run pretty much from one end to the other. Then these two shelves are actually made for a organizer that she already has. It's like a tote, kind of, sort of. You can see it right there. She has 4 of those. Those are actually going to sit there on the shelves. She's going to hold them down with bungees, but she typically stores, clothes, socks, and other consumables inside of there. So she has space for that. She has this large open bay in the middle, and then continuous open shelving underneath. With the paint job and edge banding, it looks like it was actually made originally to the RV. We also mounted it to the underside of the bed, so again, there is no need for a center divider, and kept it to 1/2-inch plywood to limit the weight, because again, this being a camper, you don't want to be burning up gas or hauling any extra weight if you don't have to. So nice minimalistic design that serves lots of function. If you guys have enjoyed, let us know down below. Please leave me a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Peace.